Hey guys, Paul Samia here. Welcome back to the e-commerce roundtable. Grab your seats because we are about to jump into part 5 of this new drop shipping sales funnel that we are building together. All right, today, first of all, I have to say, I don't know what to do with my hair anymore, so I apologize about the craziness. Just call me the mad scientist. But anyways, we're going to jump right in. So what we're going to do today is install our Facebook pixels. And if we have enough time, we're going to install our Google Analytics codes. And if we don't have enough time, don't worry, I'll put Google into part 6. I didn't put Google into our last funnel that we built together, but I am going to put it into this funnel because I want to collect a little bit more data. I actually want this funnel to convert better than our last one. That one I just kind of threw together. I wasn't super excited about, but I'm getting a lot of people kind of angry with this one, so I wanted to really convert. I don't know why they get so upset. It's just a flag with someone's name on it. Big deal. All right, here we go. Let's jump right in. So if you are one of the lucky ones that sent me a message, got the secret password, and got this funnel, congratulations. You can follow along with me from here on. That is if you watch part 4 and part 4.5 to input your products. Okay, so if you are on the same page with me, follow along. Assuming you already opened your Facebook Business Manager account and your Facebook Ads Manager account. Okay, they're kind of one and the same. It's like an umbrella thing, and I'll explain to you right now. Let's go. All right, guys, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna explain to you real quick why we do a Facebook Business Manager page and the Facebook Ads Managers, okay? So basically, you want a Facebook Business Manager page to do exactly that, manage your businesses, okay? You can have multiple businesses in one convenient place where you can find all of your data from all of your marketing, okay? That's why you do that. It's more convenient. It tells Google's AI, it tells Google's artificial intelligence that this is what you're doing and this is where to look to find that info, right? If you don't have this page, kind of the umbrella keeping all of this, it's kind of like, let me explain it to you like this. Viacom owns Nickelodeon, MTV, so on and so forth, okay? Viacom is the umbrella. Viacom is the business manager, right? And the businesses are MTV. I don't know if they own VH1. I don't even know if VH1's alive anymore. Nickelodeon, I know they own, and whatever other networks. Get what I'm saying? Cool. Later on down the line, I'll show you how it's convenient. But this is how you should be setting up your Facebook Business Manager and your Facebook Ads accounts within your Facebook Business Manager, okay? And then each business gets their ads, right? Their ad manager gets their ads for that store, right? There's the business, there's the store, there's the ads, okay? This is how you should be setting up your stuff when it comes to Facebook Business Manager and Ads Manager. Okay, I said that way too many times. Here we go. All right, so I am on my business. I'm in my Ads Manager right now for one of my businesses. And basically, this is the business I built to share with you guys, okay? As you will see, the cell phone holders. I didn't run too many ads on this. I just did it with you and ended it there, okay? I got a lot of engagement. I got some good stuff. I got a couple of purchases, but I didn't let it run too much. This one I'm really gonna try to focus and hone in on, okay? Anyways, once you are in your Ads Manager, it doesn't matter which screen you're looking at, okay? Hopefully it's the home screen. Okay, doesn't matter. Anyways, takes you to your business manager. Now you're gonna see all of the ones I have on here. Fantastic. We're doing this again, guys. So it doesn't matter where you are within the ads manager. As long as you're in ads manager, you can go ahead and click on the top menu here and go down to pixels. Okay. And make sure you're within the business that you want to hook up your pixel to. So if you're selling bicycles and you want to hook up your pixel to, if you're selling bicycles and you want to hook up your pixel to the bicycle store, make sure that you're under the Facebook ads manager for your bicycle store, which is what we are here. Okay. So I click on Pixel. Obviously, there's nothing here yet because we don't have one for this store. So what I'm going to do is go ahead. I'm going to click Create. Sorry, didn't take me to Pixel. It took me to Ads Manager. So make sure you click Pixels. We'll wait for the loading to happen. And why is it taking me to Event Manager? Pixels. All right, so it doesn't matter where you are within Ads Manager. As long as you're in Ads Manager, you go ahead and click on the menu up here, and you hit Pixels. Now, Facebook, for some reason, decided to change everything. And when you hit Pixels now, it takes you over to the Event Manager, okay? What you do here, it used to be as easy as clicking Create Pixel, right? But now what you got to do is create new data source. And in this case, it is a Facebook pixel, okay? So you come here, you put the name of the pixel in, and I'm not going to call it that. In this case, this pixel is going to be called Trump Flag 2020. Okay, I'm going to grab the website. This is the squeeze page, so I'm going to grab the squeeze page website, pop it in, and also it's optional. Okay, so in this case, forget about it. We're not even going to do it. We're going to go ahead and create that. If I want to, can I be? No. All right, so I guess I can't change the name, guys. So you go ahead and click. So it doesn't matter where you are within Ads Manager, as long as you are in Ads Manager. I'm going to show you now how to grab the pixel. But before we do, I want to point something out to you. I'm using the same pixel code for this store that I'm going to be using for my Trump's flag store. Because of that, you don't want to do much changes to the name or anything. And I'll kind of show you what I mean by that. So you go ahead and click on the menu up here. You have your ads manager, your business manager, all that good stuff. You come over here underneath event manager, you hit pixel. It used to take you to the pixel creation page, but now it just takes you straight to the ads manager page. And then within this page here, make sure you're under pixels. Come over here, and we're going to add a new data of source, which in this case is Facebook pixel. Okay, don't change anything here because we already have one pixel going on another store. So what I'm going to do in this case is turn that store off, right? Really, you should have one ads manager account per store, okay? But this is like my grand marketplace, so I'm just going to use the same pixel code. So don't change anything here. What the f... All right, so it doesn't matter where you are within Ads Manager, as long as you are, either you could be within Ads Manager or within Business Manager. But if you're in Ads Manager and you're seeing the ads, you know that you're under that specific business. In this case, I'm going to use the same pixel for two different funnels, two different stores. Okay, I don't recommend you doing this. I'm doing this in this case because this is what I'm sharing with you guys, right? So I would always just open a new or just create a new ads manager, a business underneath the business account. And I can show you how to do that in another video if you'd like. Just let me know in the comments below. So in this case, we are going to use the same pixel code. Okay, I'm going to show you how to create your own from scratch, and I'm going to show you just how to use the same one, even though you should. All right. So you go to Ads Manager. Over here, you go to the Ads Manager over here. Underneath the Event Manager, you can either click there or click on Pixel. It used to take you directly to the pixel that is in use, that you're using already, but Facebook has made a lot of changes recently. So I'm still trying to figure all that stuff out. I'm taking all the same steps as I usually do, but there's some new ones, okay? So if you don't have any pixel at all on this business yet, you go ahead and do new data source, Facebook pixel, fill out the fields, you know, you put the URL or not, hit create, okay, and it'll give you from that stage. I'm just going to select the business. That's the business I'm using in this case, and that's how you select it. It's going to give you this screen, okay, after you input a new source. All right, so then you hit Setup Pixel. You go to the center, which is manually install it. It sounds hard, okay? I know some of you are thinking, I'm not a programmer. How do I manually install it? It's easy, okay? And I'm going to show you. You don't have to be a programmer. I might even take a nap during this. Okay, anyways. You go to the second section. This here is your pixel code, okay? What you got to do is just click, and it'll automatically copy it to your clipboard, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this pixel code in specific funnel steps. Okay, we're not going to put a page view across the entire funnel. No, we're just going to put a page view on the opt-in page. Okay, and I'm going to explain to you why right now. Okay, opt-in page, order page, upsell, upsell. Thank you. I believe without going back and looking, this is what our funnel looks like right now, right? Squeeze page, order form, upsell, upsell, thank you, yes. Okay? Now, I'm gonna put on this page, on the opt-in page, I'm gonna put a page view pixel, okay? And that's it on this page, because I wanna know that they came from my ad and they're seeing this page at least, okay? Once they opt in and I get their contact information on this page, I'm gonna put a contact pixel, okay? Because the only way that they can see this page is if they've opted in. So you don't want to put a contact pixel on here because they might exit out and you might not get their contact. Okay, you want to put it on here because the only way to see this, like I said, is if they put their contact information in. Now, the purchase pixel, okay, this is the order page. If they buy the product, okay, the only way they're going to see the upsell page is if they bought the product. So on this upsell page is where I'm going to put the purchase pixel. Okay? Purchase. So if I spell that right. Perfect. Because again, I'm going to repeat it. Okay? The only way the customer can see this page is if they put their credit card information on this, hit submit, made the purchase, to see the upsell page. That's the only way. Okay? That's why we put a purchase pixel here. Are you following me? Hopefully you're following me. This one we're not going to put any pixel on. Why? We could put a page view pixel on there, but it's just going to look the same as that, right? So we're just going to skip that one. Again, because if they see this one, they've either said yes or no over here, and if they said yes, great, we're going to see that on our order form, on our spreadsheet. If they said no, okay, we won't see it on our spreadsheet. We don't need to put a pixel there. We just need to tell Facebook that this person made a purchase. Okay? That way we can retarget people like that person that makes purchases from us. Okay? Thank you page. Let me look at the pixels real fast. Ignore this, ignore this, ignore it, ignore it. Search, add to cart, purchase, subscribe, trial, contact, schedule. Okay. That's all we're doing. We're installing 1, 2, 3 pixel codes. So let's start from the beginning. You're going to land on this page. You're going to hit setup pixel. You're going to go to manual. You're going to go to the second column, number 2. You're going to click on that and it's going to copy it. Okay, then you're going to take this code to your funnel. Okay, you're going to edit the page. Now there's two places you can put this code. There is here within the edit funnel step, there's settings and tracking code. Okay, on the header is where we're going to put this code. That means that we're placing this code only on this funnel step, and that is it. Okay, saving that. Now let me show you that this is a page view pixel. Okay, I recommend everybody download Facebook Pixel Helper for your Google Chrome extension. It will tell you when you preview your funnel, check it out, preview. If you look at Facebook right up here in the corner, it should fire off. Oh, sorry, it's right over here. This is something else, sorry. Over here. This is the Google Facebook Pixel Helper. It will fire off the pixel and it'll tell you which pixels are on the page. Here's the page view pixel. Now we know that pixel is working. We've installed it correctly, okay? So now when someone lands on this page, it tells Facebook that person, that kind of person that does this kind of shopping, that likes these kind of things, clicked on your page and they viewed it. Perfect. So now we'll close that. Oh, I knew I was going to do that. So after that, we're going to head back and we're going to go to our order form. We're going to edit the page. And again, once you edit the page, you go ahead and place, go to settings, tracking code. In the header, not the footer, the header, we're going to place the pixel. Okay. Now at this step, don't do anything. All right. Go back to Facebook. Go ahead and hit continue. Again, on this step, hit manual installation. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on purchase. Okay. We're going to go down, and what you want to do is, what I like to do is just, you see purchase here? Okay. I'm going to go back to my funnel. I'm going to take page view out, and I'm going to put purchase. Make sure you spell it right. Otherwise, it's not going to work. If you are going to do this method, don't go getting all smart and reinventing the wheel thinking, oh, I'm going to put in any pixel code I could think of. Oh, I don't want to spell purchase out. I'm just going to go bought or buy. No, don't do that. This, guys, this is the only language Facebook understands. If you don't type one of these in to this bar, to this field, Facebook will not understand it, okay? Do not reinvent the wheel. I'm warning you right now. You're not going to get any data and you're going to have a nightmare. This schedule, find location, contacts, complete registration, start trial, this list is the only thing it understands, okay? So don't go getting all fancy schmancy, okay? I just had to get that out there and let you guys know. Cool. So now we have purchase pixel in here. I'm going to close that. I'm going to save it. Save it. Always save it. I'm going to preview that. Up here's my Facebook pixel helper. Fired off. A purchase pixel. Okay. It says page view here, but there's no page view in the tracking code. Okay. What it really wants you to do is click on that, and paste it in here like this. But as you can see, it's the same code. We don't need it. Taking it out. Okay, that's why I type it in. So don't worry about that. That purchase firing off, okay? Because it's just reading the first page. And it should still be talking to Facebook, which we will test after this to see if it is talking to Facebook, okay? After that, we're gonna go back. Now we're gonna go to our OTO page 1. OTO page 1, we're only putting up, you see, I already messed it up. I already messed it up because I looked back at the business plan, which is important. Always lay out your plan, right? And I know what I did wrong. So guys, don't do this. Just, this is the fix. I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna go back to the order form page. I'm gonna edit the page, and I'm gonna go change the purchase pixel to a contact pixel. Because if they see the order form page, that means I just got their contact information or their email address. Sorry about that. That's why it's always important to write down your plan first. Okay, I already know it's contact. And, you know, type it the exact same way they have it here. Contact, capital T, or C. Make sure you have that. Contact, capital C. Save that. Preview it. Facebook pixel helper. Oh, there's a problem. Wait for it. Perfect, we're good. Okay, that one's good. Now we're gonna go to the upsell page, and that's where we're gonna put the purchase pixel, because the only way that they're gonna see this upsell page is if they put their credit card information into the order form and bought the flag or the 2 flags or whatever the offer is over there. Sorry about the load time. All right, here we go. Settings, tracking, because we're only installing it on this specific page of the funnel. Header. Oh, see what I did wrong there, guys? Don't freak out if that happens to you. Just go back to the first page, copy the pixel code. I like to go back to this page just so I make sure all the spelling is right, even though it's basic stuff. I still don't trust my spelling. Boom. In here, I'm going to do purchase. Check on that. Ugh. Purchase. Purchase. All right. Okay, guys, that's in. Boom. Save that. We're going to preview that. Facebook pixel helper. Purchase pixel in. Done. Check the business plan. Page view we got. Contact we got. Purchase we got. These have nothing on them. Perfect. I'm going to save this. And we have just installed our pixel code, Facebook pixel code. We're going to do Google Analytics, and then we're going to get our ads together, and then we're going to launch this bad boy out. But one at a time, okay? I think I've been on long enough. I think I've confused you enough. I hope you got what you needed out of this, and you were able to install your pixel code. Ask me questions below. But before we go, let's test let's go to Facebook and test it there. Hit done. Test events. Sorry, not test events. So you hit done, and then you come over here. I like to click on this. Sorry. So you hit done, come over here. So you hit done, you come over here, back to all data source. Select the pixel or one of your businesses. I'm using this for 2 businesses. So after you hit done, it should bring you back to the events manager page where you'll see your pixel codes actually in bar graph. Oh, you got to select your business because I'm using this pixel for 2 businesses, remember. Okay, perfect. So you see here, I have all 3 of my pixels. I have purchase, contacts, and page view. See the colors, see the different colors here. You'll see that I got 1 contact and a few purchases because I went through this a few times. Like I previewed the page a few times. So it looks like everything is good. Everything is working. If you want to see it in action, I will show it to you in action. Squeeze page. I'm going to preview it in an incognito window. Did I lose the other window? Anyways, there's that. We'll go back to Facebook, and then you see, hold on, refresh that, and I should have 3 page views. Oh. It takes a little while sometimes. Should be able to come refresh the page and see the page view. Sometimes it takes a little while to update. It depends on how long the person spends on the page sometimes. We'll just go ahead and submit it and see what happens. Okay. Oh, maybe on the next video, I'm going to show you how to auto select this for them and then highlight this whole section, make it pop a little bit more. I can show you how to do that with custom codes. It's actually pretty simple. If you want to see that, let me know below. If you don't, then I won't even bother. All right, guys, we should be good. I'm going to refresh that one more time, see if it came through. If not, I'm not too worried about it. Like I said, sometimes it takes some time to come over. We've already tested everything. Everything's in place. Everything is firing off. So we're good to go. I don't know why it still says 2 page views, but I'm going to give it some time, and I'm going to see what happens in a little bit. I know it's going to update. All right, guys. Again, thanks very, very much for tuning in. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it for video for part 5. Let me know what you thought. Let me know. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it for part 5. Please comment below. Ask me some questions if you have them. Again, if you want this funnel, send me a message, and I will give you the secret password, and then I'll be able to send you this funnel. Okay, and you'll be able to follow along with me. Again, guys, Samia with the E-Commerce Roundtable. I hope this was helpful, and I will catch you later. Thank you.